Marco Colbert, Speed of Cover Finish Network. So, we have the TL done. I'm actually driving that right now. So, we actually took this off the road. I was driving this for a couple weeks, and drives good, runs good. I am not personally a Scion guy. I actually have had one of these before, but for $800, I honestly had to have it. You know, the people that were selling it had kind of a family emergency and they needed to get rid of it. These cars, you know, factory, they are pretty sporty. They got the 17-inch Enkei wheels, nice spoiler, nice sleek design, come with a nice peppy 2.4 liter. Cars actually handle extremely well. Being it has that big 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine in the front, it weighs down the front a lot. You get a lot less understeer with this car. So, you know, all that being said, you know, this is a great platform for a sports car. Something nice to cruise around, handles good, has good little peppy horsepower for just going around town. So yeah, I love it. We're really just gonna be doing a light restoration on this. We got a lot of body damage. I actually got rear-ended there 2 weeks ago. Insurance got me a nice check for that, so that's a nice little bonus. We're gonna be doing a lot of the basic bolt-on stuff. You know, we're gonna upgrade the brakes, we're gonna upgrade the suspension, upgrade the exhaust, we're gonna be doing a header kit on it, we're gonna do a cold air intake, you know, just basic performance mods to make this thing go a little bit faster, stop a little bit quicker, corner a little bit nicer. I'm gonna put this into 2 separate videos. We're gonna have one video for the bodywork and paint, and then we're gonna have another video just for the performance parts, you know, putting them on, installing them, seeing how they do, etc., etc. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Time to get to work. I want to share a really quick tip with you guys. For some of you guys that want to continue doing this work year round, body filler. I know it takes forever to dry when it's cold. So what you do is you spread your filler out, let it sit in there for about a minute or two, let it kind of soak in those scratches, then heat gun. You're gonna take it over your body filler just like that, back and forth for about 30 seconds. Let it sit for another minute, it'll be hard as a rock.